someone would go just because an authority figure told them to? Well, that's exactly what psychologist Stanley Milgram wanted to find out in 1961. And the results were shocking. He designed an experiment to test obedience to authority, inspired by how people during World War II claimed that they were just following orders.
The big question, would regular people harm others if an authority figure told them to?
Here's how it worked. Volunteers thought that they were part of the study of memory. There were always a teacher, and in the next room was a learner who was actually an actor pretending to be shocked. Each time the learner had the question wrong, the teacher had to press the button to deliver an electric shock. The shock increased in power, from a mild 15 volts to a terrifying 450 volts, marked danger, severe shock. As the shock increased, the learner screamed in pain, begging for it to stop, and then went completely silent. Still, the authority figure, calm and cold, said the experiment must continue.
Most people assumed they stopped, but the results? 65% of participants delivered the highest possible shock. That's 2/3 of people willing to inflict extreme pain. Now, imagine how they felt afterwards, realizing they thought they would seriously hurt someone. The experiment caused real emotional trauma. Participants were deceived. They thought it was real. Many had breakdown, crying, shaking, even pleading to stop. Their right to withdraw wasn't respected. It crossed so many ethical lines, psychology would never be the same again.
This study changed the rule for research forever. Today, we protect participants by replacing deception with simulation, providing mental health support and full debriefing, and getting approved with the ethics board before everything begins. Milgram showed us something dark about human nature, that under pressure, we might obey even when it feels wrong. But he also gave us lesson. We must question authority when it demands harm and protect people from being pushed too far.
This wasn't just an experiment.
It was a wake-up call. Follow for more real stories from psychology.